Here's a clear and simplified guide on how to add domains to the Allowlist in Google Workspace so your organization can receive emails from trusted senders without them being flagged as spam. Whether you manage a small business or oversee a larger IT setup, keeping your communication running smoothly is essential. Allow listing domains helps ensure important messages reach your team without interruptions. To begin, open your browser and navigate to Google Workspace. Once you're there, locate the admin console. This console is your main control panel where you can manage all settings for your organization's Google services. If you aren't signed in yet, you'll be asked to log in. Make sure you use your business admin email so you have access to the necessary features. After logging in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Google Apps grid icon. From the list of available Google services, select the admin option. This will take you into the admin dashboard where all configuration tools live. Inside the admin console, look for the section called Account. This area contains the settings that apply to your entire organization. Once inside the account section, find and open the domains option. This is where you manage everything related to domain verification, domain security, and communication settings. Within the domains area, search for the option called Allow Listed Domains. This is a section designed specifically for approving trusted domains so that messages from them pass through your system without being filtered or blocked. When you open the Allow Listed Domains page, you'll see an option to add a new domain. Click on Add Domain, and a small input field will appear. Now all you need to do is type the domain name you want to approve. Be sure to double check the spelling. Typing even a single character incorrectly means your system won't recognize the intended domain and important emails could still be misdirected. Once the correct domain is entered, proceed by clicking the Add button. This confirms that you want to include it in your organization's trusted list. After that, finalize everything by selecting Save. Saving applies the changes directly to your Google Workspace settings, ensuring the new domain is officially approved. With that, you've successfully added a domain to your Google Workspace Allow list. This small action helps emails flow smoother and reduces the chances of losing important communications. It's a good habit to review your Allow listed domains periodically to ensure your settings stay accurate and secure. This helps maintain a strong balance between protection and accessibility for your team. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to manage your trusted senders easily and maintain a healthy email environment across your entire organization.